The screen is visible here. Yes. Can you see the screen? Yes, anyone please? Can you
Yes,
see the
sir.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So here now, the next is the load balancing concept. So here, it is what? To balance the again external load, okay, or resist the external load. So that's what is called as load balancing concept. But with different pattern, with the different pattern or with a different concept. Okay. So now, I'll come to that. Now here, the load balancing concept, it is possible to select a suitable cable profile in precious concrete member such that it should encounter or balance the external load acting on the beam. This method is called as load balancing method. So in this method, what will happen? You can select the cable profile. The cable profile may straight, it may parabolic, it may triangular shape, or it may trapezoid shape, any. That selection or the selection of cable profile should be such a way that it balances the external load. Okay. So because of the UDL, the measurement will be parabolic. So you select parabolic cable profile. Okay. And suppose the beam is subjected to concentrated force in the center. So the cable, so the bending will be straight. It will be triangular in shape. So that time you select the cable profile in triangular shape. So you can select or you can adopt the cable profile with respect to the bending moment in the beam due to external load. Bending moment in the beam due to external load, because that movement we have to resist. We have to design the section to resist that bending moment. So to resist that bending moment or to balance that movement, you can select the cable profile. Okay, you can select the cable profile. That is nothing but what? Load balancing concept. Okay. So or one more, to balance externally applied load, to balance externally applied load, provide cable profile in the shape of bending moment diagram. See, this is very important. In the shape of bending moment diagram. Provide the shape of the cable in the shape of bending moment diagram. This concept is called as load balancing concept. It is very simple. I repeat once again. Provide the cable profile. Provide the cable profile in the shape of bending moment diagram. Okay. So what will happen? Whatever the load acts over the section, when the beam bends, that cable profile will resist the movement. Will resist the movement. So that's why you can change the cable profile with respect to shape of the bending moment diagram. Okay. Now we have, I'll show you here. So what? The cable profile in precious member corresponds to the shape of the bending moment diagram, resulting in the external load. So now you can see, I'll show you one by one. So the first we have, that is the curve or parabolic profile. The curve or the parabolic profile. Okay. Why it is parabolic now? Can anyone tell me? Curve or parabolic profile. The first profile you can see the parabolic. Why it is parabolic here? Yes, can anyone?
It's a UDL, sir. UDL.
Because the UDL, the bending moment will be sagging. The bending moment, the beam bends downwards. तो उसके लिए resist करने के लिए you provide the cable profile parabolic in shape. Parabolic in shape. You can change the cable profile. You can change the cable profile. You can provide in the parabolic shape. Okay, like this. You can see. You can provide the cable profile in the parabolic shape. So because of that, what will happen? Now you can see here we have the cable profile parabolic. Okay, and we have the pre-stressing force in the cable, and because of this, it will resist the external load. It turns the external bending moment. It will resist the external load. अभी देखो, this is load and this is the force offered by cable, which is balance the external load. Okay, so that time you can choose the cable profile as a parabolic cable profile. When beam subjected to UDL, it will bend. So we have the total sagging bending moment. So we can choose the cable profile as parabolic. Because the shape of the bending of a simply supported beam with UDL, it is again parabolic. Okay, so that's why you can see, to obtain the upward load WB, to obtain the upward load WB equating bending moment at midspan, you can equate the bending moment at midspan. WB L square by 8 is equal to P into E. So what is WB L square by 8 now? What is WB L square by 8? It is the upward load which is balanced by profile, cable profile, and which is equated to bending moment at midspan, that is P into E, because of the precessing force. So by using that, you will get WB is equal to 8 PE upon L square. So therefore, the balance load is WB, which is balanced by cable profile. Okay, which is balanced by cable profile. So the unbalanced load, the final unbalanced load is W minus WB. W is the external load minus WB. It is the balanced load. So we'll get the total unbalanced load offered in the section. Then we have the another cable profile. You can see we have bent tendon or triangular shape. The tendon triangular shape. So this shape we can use for what? When it is due to single point load. It is a single point load. You can see here we have a single point load W, and the cable profile is triangular or it is bent like this. So because of this, it will develop the balance load. If the load is acting like this, it will support in opposite direction. Okay, it will support in opposite direction for the external load. Okay. Now we have, this is the cable profile, and here we have the equivalent load. So again, equating bending moment due to load is equal to bending moment due to pre-stress. What is bending moment load? Bending moment due to load, W L by 4. W into L by 4. So W is nothing but WB here. W into L by 4, which is equal to P into E. Which is equal to P into E. So therefore, WB is equal to 4 PE by L. So on. Okay, same here we have to by equate bending moment due to load is equal to bending moment due to pre-stress, and from that you calculate the balance load, and again you can later calculate the unbalanced load. So same thing देखो अभी यहाँ पे we have 2 point loads. अभी 2 point load यहाँ पे क्या होगा फिर? Here we have 1, here we have 1. So one balance load here, one balance load here. So join this over. So that is the cable profile. So it is a trapezoid in shape. The cable profile is trapezoid in shape. So again, the moment is W into A due to load plus PE. So W into A plus PE, we get the total balance load. PE by A. This is the very simple concept. आपका जैसा बेंडिंग मोमेंट है उसके तरह you assume the cable profile, and that cable will balance the external load. That cable profile will balance the external load. And when you have to provide straight cable, we have the moment. So moment MB is equal to P into E. So this P into E is equal to MB. So you have to provide the straight cable. So this is the concept of load balancing method. यहाँ पे मैंने सेम दिया देखो WB unbalanced load. So WUB, W minus WB, where MB is the unbalanced moment, which we get from formula WL square by 8. This is same concept. इसमें किसको doubt है? Please ask if you have any doubts. Otherwise, we'll solve the problem, and when I solve the problem, we'll get to know very clearly. किसको doubt है? Please ask. Yes. Anyone having doubt? Otherwise, we'll go to solution of problems. So there you will get to know exactly what is load balancing method. Okay. So we'll solve the problem here. A PSC beam of size 250 mm by 300 mm is pre-stressed by using a cable of parabolic profile with eccentricity of 60 mm with an eccentricity of 60 mm at midspan and 0 at ends. The pre-stressing force initially is 450 kilonewton, was 450 kilonewton, and there is a loss of 15%. Okay, in the force there is a loss of 15% in the final stage. That is, the final force will be less than 15% of 450 kilonewton. The imposed load over a beam is 7.5 kilonewton per meter. Okay, and the span of beam is 5.75 meter. Estimate the resultant stress at midspan using load balancing concept. You have to estimate the resultant stresses at midspan due to load balancing concept. So we have two conditions: initial pre-stress, final pre-stress. What is initial pre-stress? It is the initial pre-stressing force plus dead load. Final pre-stressing force by deducting 15% plus dead load plus live load. Okay. So now, अभी यहाँ पे देखो, please note down the given data. As I told you, P initially is 450, P final is 85% of 450 because 15% is a loss. Then we have live load 7.5. Okay, and span is 5.7. Now this is very important. आपको पहले diagram draw करना पड़ेगा with given data. So they are given the eccentricity at midspan at 60 and at support it is 0. So therefore you have to understand the cable profile is parabolic. It is not mentioned in the question. In this question they have mentioned the cable profile is parabolic. Okay. So then calculate other properties: y, z, then area. Then calculate dead load, live load is given. Calculate moment due to dead load, moment due to live load. Then the balancing moment P into E. The balancing moment P into E. Okay. अभी आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Case 1. Initial pre-stressing force plus dead load. So calculate the unbalanced moment MD minus MB. MD minus MB. So what is MD here? MD is the load due to self-weight. MB is the balanced moment P into E. So we got the unbalanced moment as 19.56 kilonewton meter. Then come back and substitute here. So we got the resultant stress FT and FB. Which sign you have to substitute here? Same formula: P by A plus M by Z, P by A minus M by Z. So M should be unbalanced moment. The value of M should be unbalanced moment. Okay. Then we have the stress distribution diagram. So this is the final stress distribution diagram due to pre-stressing force and dead load. Next we have the balancing moment when it is pre-stress plus dead load plus live load. Okay, that is P into E. P into E we have here. Okay, so unbalanced moment MD plus ML minus MB. MD plus ML minus MB. So we have got this as 15.49 kilonewton meter. Okay, because it is unbalanced. Total movement. So this is the total movement due to external load minus the balanced movement. Okay, P into E. Okay. Now again P by A plus M by Z, P by A minus M by Z. So we got the stress distribution in the cable. Stress distribution in the cable at midspan due to dead load, live load and pre-stressing force. Okay. Now we'll go to next problem. Now see, this is again very interesting here. Okay. So here we have a pre-stressed concrete beam. Yes. A pre-stressed concrete beam of span 7.5 meter and beam supports two symmetric point loads of 18 kilonewton each placed at 2 meters from the support. Suggest a suitable cable profile for pre-stressing force 150 kilonewton and even you have to locate the cable profile. अब यहाँ पे देखो, okay, so they are asked ignore self weight of the beam. So asked ignore self weight of the beam. Okay. Now you can see here. First of all, they are asked to suggest the suitable cable profile. तो मैंने आपको बोला था when we have 2-point loads, so we can suggest a cable profile like trapezoidal shape. So first of all, we have suggested the cable profile. Is it clear? Is it clear or anyone having doubt? How to select cable profile now? They are asked to suggest a suitable cable profile, and even you have to give the location of cable profile. इसमें किसको doubt है? Because the bending moment due to two concentrated loads will be in trapezoidal shape. So same, the cable profile should be given in the same shape. So I have given in the trapezoidal shape. Do you have anyone doubts in this? Anyone having doubts in this? मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला है केबल प्रोफाइल आपको सजेस्ट करना है तो कैसे सजेस्ट करना है with respect to the bending moment diagram. So next, if no one is having doubts, then we'll move on to next. Now we have to locate the cable profile. It is trapezoidal shape, but how? At what distance from the centroid? That you have to locate. So for that you have to find out the eccentricity E. तो उसको कैसे find out करोगे? Calculate M. Okay. RA RB. So RA into A is equal to P into E. That is external load is equal to bending moment due to pre-stress. दोनों को equate करो. Calculate E from this. So it is 240 mm. So the cable profile is located at a distance of 240 mm from the center of the section. From the center of the section. At support it is 0. Below the load 250, below the load 240, join straight. How you locate? यहाँ पे 240, यहाँ पे 240, join like this, and like this. So you have suggested the cable profile. इसमें किसको doubt है? Do you have any doubts in this? Please let me know if you have any doubts. Yes, anyone? I have to ask personally. In the previous meeting, 27 members were there. Now we have only 23. It is 22 now. Komal left. Ningappa.
Yes, sir.
Doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. So we'll move on to next now. Yes. Now this is very interesting. You can see a PSC beam with single overhang is simply supported at A and B. A precious concrete beam with single overhang is simply supported at A and B for a span of 8 meter. For a span of 8 meter. And overhang BC is 2 meter. The beam is 300 mm by 900 mm. The beam is 300 mm by 900 mm. Supports 3.52 kN per meter load. Determine the profile of the cable to balance dead load and live load. Now this is exactly what I wanted to explain. So in this problem, you can understood exactly what is load balancing method. Okay. So we have the given load arrangement. The beam we have A, B, C. BC is the overhang portion. This part is the overhang. Okay. And AB we have 8 meter. B to C we have 2 meter. And over that the load acting is 3.52. So calculate the properties. Area, moment of inertia, then dead load, live load. Total load, and the P is not given here, so it should be given. Yes, it is not given. So even in the exam you can assume, but write the P. If it is not mentioned in the question, please write a note and you can assume the precessing force P. Okay. So first of all, to suggest the cable profile, what you have to do, please let me know. Yes, anyone answer? Cable profile suggest करने के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए अभी? What do you want? Bharti? In the given question it is. Huh?
So we have to check what type of loads are acting on the given beam.
The load is given.
So yes.
See, load is given, but to suggest a cable profile, what you want now first?
Sir, bending moment, sir.
Yes, very good, Bega. Very good, very good. You should have the bending moment diagram because मैंने आपको every बार I have told you what according to bending moment diagram or according to shape of bending moment diagram, you have to suggest the cable profile. So for that you have to find the bending moment diagram. तो उसके लिए find out the bending moment diagram. Okay, तो देखो we got the diagram here, that is the shear force diagram. With respect to this, calculate the bending moment. So we got here, we got the location of moment maximum. Okay. So here we got the point of contraflexure, everything. So this I will not be explaining, you know that. So you can go through when I share the PDF also. Okay. So after that, once you got the bending moment, see, we require two things: bending moment at this location and bending moment at this location. So what is the next? What is the next? What you have to do? MB is equal to P into E. So MB at section, this section, MB is equal to 70.31. So calculate E. So we got E as 281.24 mm. 281.24 mm. Then E at B, because the moment is 20 kN per meter. MB by P. So it is minus 20. Okay, we have got minus 20 kN per 20 kN per meter. So we got the eccentricity as minus 80. So this is the bending moment diagram. You can see here we have got positive bending moment. Here we have got negative bending moment. Okay, understood? Positive and negative. With respect to that, see, I have given the sign convention. Positive means up, negative means down. With respect to that, we'll suggest the cable profile. So now this is the cable profile. This is the cable profile, you can see. Here the eccentricity is 280 and here the eccentricity is minus 80, negative, positive. So this is the suggested cable profile from your side. You can see it is the flap. It is the flap of the bending moment diagram. अगर bending moment diagram उल्टा करोगे तो you can exactly see the cable profile, because to balance we have to provide in opposite direction. Yes, anyone having doubt here, please ask. This is very interesting question. So now at least you should have understood the concept of load balancing better. इसको doubt है अभी? See, first of all, whenever they ask to suggest the cable profile by using load balancing method, first you have to get the bending moment diagram and the magnitude of bending moment at particular location. Just now we have calculated the magnitude of bending moment. Yeah, अभी यहाँ पे हमने calculate किया, यहाँ पे हमने calculate किया. So at least if you got those bending moment, you can exactly find out the location of cable profile. Yes, anyone, please let me know. किसको doubt है तो please ask. Or else, Pradeep Uttangi. Pradeep.
Yes, sir.
Understood?
हाँ, sir.
Okay. Prabhat Kamath.
Yes, sir. I understood, sir.
Understood? Okay, very good.
Yes, sir.
Lakshman Khandekar.
हाँ सर,
समझ लगा है?
समझ लग
मला वाटलं रामावर कुठे पळून गेला शेतीला घेऊन.
नाही सर.
उत्तम Visaji, understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You say only yes sir, Baba. But I don't know whether it is really understood or not. Jyoti Kallikari, understood?
हाँ सर, understood.
Okay. Kaustubh Naik.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll share the PDF. You go through, then it will be 100%. Okay. Now, next देखो, again you have to find out. It is double overhang. It is a double overhang. So we have to again determine the cable profile here. Determine the cable profile for recessing cable. So I'll try to finish off. ओके, तो यहाँ पे देखो अगेन सेम है, वी हैव गॉट केबल प्रोफाइल, वी हैव गॉट द ओवरहैंग ऑन बोथ द साइड। तो इस केस में आपको क्या करना है, अगेन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द बेंडिंग मोमेंट। यस, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द बेंडिंग मोमेंट, देन फाइंड आउट E। देखो बेंडिंग मोमेंट एट C is equal to 0, T is equal to 0, so E will be obviously 0. Bendi moment at A, E and A, so we got eccentricity at E and A, and even at midspan. Over. The question is over. Three bendi moment, three eccentricities. Three bendi moment, three eccentricities. See, this is a question per problem. One of the question per it has been asked to suggest the cable profile. Okay. Next we have this. Yes. Okay. Whatever. So I'll discuss this question in the next session. Now it is time to stop. Okay. So I'll suggest the PDF in the group and you go through the PDF. Okay. And again in that, if you have any queries or any doubts, you can share your doubts on WhatsApp so you can discuss. Yes. Anyone having doubts still? Otherwise, we'll end up with meeting. Okay. Chalo. ठीक है. Bye. Goodbye. You can leave the meeting now. Chalo. Thank you. Thank you very much.